Today is a special one because I've got the absolute privilege of sharing a first ever look at Bitmain's latest masterpiece, the Antminer S21. Unveiled at the World Digital Mining Summit in September 2023, this miner is a true leap forward in ASIC technology. It boasts a whopping 200 terahashes per second and sips power at just 17.5 joules per terahash. That makes it the most efficient air-cooled Bitcoin miner ever released. Today, we go deep inside the design. Let's start on the outside. At first glance, the S21 looks similar to Bitmain's earlier models. But pick it up and you'll feel the difference. It weighs in at 15.4 kilograms. That's 1 kilogram heavier than the S19 XP and 2.2 kilograms more than the S19J Pro. A major reason for that extra weight? The power supply. The S21 introduces a new PSU, first seen in the S19J XP. It's the APW17.15A. Inside, you'll find 500-volt capacitors. That's more capacity than we've ever seen in a Bitmain PSU. It's compatible with 220 to 277 volts, offering flexibility in high voltage mining setups. Now let's talk plugs. The S21 features a P14, also known as a PA45 plug, different from the older S19s. And Bitmain's introducing a new official power cable called Antwire. It uses a P13 connector, not the C19 most miners are used to. That means if you're upgrading, you'll need a specialized PDU or a custom C20 to DP13 cable. Now let's turn to airflow, because the S21 takes cooling seriously. It comes with high current fans on both the front and back. These fans are rated at 6.4 amps, the highest ever used in a Bitcoin mining rig. The result? Massive airflow that keeps the rig running cool and steady. Let's open it up and take a look inside. The S21 runs on an Amlogic A113D control board. It shares connectors with the S19K Pro, but adds something new. There are 4 Molex microfit connectors. These are used to power those beefier fans we just saw. If you ever swap the control board, remember, you'll need to swap the fans too for full compatibility. Now let's slide out a hashboard and take a closer look. On the back, a bolted-on aluminum heatsink, just like in the S19J Pro. On the front, a lightweight one-piece aluminum heatsink. This combination ensures even heat dispersion across the entire hashboard. The S21 features 3 hashboards total. Each one uses the BHB68603 board type, and each board houses 108 chips. Let's compare. S9K Pro had 77 chips per board, S90J Pro had 126, S19 XP had 110, S9J Pro Plus had 120. The S21 finds a sweet spot. Balanced chip count, high performance, and superior efficiency. Now one last look inside the PSU. Those 500-volt capacitors aren't just for show. Compared to the 450-volt caps in the S19J Pro Plus, they deliver a more stable power flow.